Hi, my name is Mike and I want to guide you through this video. This video will explain you the functionality of AX3000 Sprinkler module. For this example, we want to start from this 3D BIM model. The pipe system is starting in the supply chamber outside of the building. A second start point should be mounted on the outside wall. The main workflow in AX3000 is called easy line, so that means you're using lines as a placeholder for the pipe. In this example, we want to mix it with the construction module. So I start here with drawing one valve, connecting a few lines, and also a complete alarm unit can be used by the construction module. As we can see, the alarm unit is inside the wall. I use the simple stretch function to stretch it from inside the wall to be outside. Now in the next step we need our load points. The load point is always the last point or the end point of the system. So in this case I will start first with the fire hose cabinets. We place 3 of them in different positions of the corridor. Now we switch on an external reference to take care of collisions. I add one line and connect the sprinkler hose cabinets to this line system. So the first part of our sprinkler solution has been finished. Only an opening into the wall should make this sprinkler cabinet visible. Therefore you can use standard BricsCAD BIM functions. Another type of load point could be the sprinkler nozzle. So I start to sit them here in this room. I use another type of block for representation. Change the orientation and the elevation. I place them all into the room. This room gets 4. The other room gets other number of elements. Also in the corridor I have placed a few of them. To finish the system we have to draw our lines and we connect the nozzles to the line system. This can be done separately or for a group of nozzles. At the end, we use our easy line function to create the pipe system and get the material list exported to Excel. Thanks for your attention and watching this video about AX3000 Sprinkler system.